1, 12b minus 9, angle 8, 3b plus 72. Angle 1 is drawn as acute, angle 8 is drawn as acute, so they must be congruent. So I'm just going to set 12b minus 9 equal to 3b plus 72. If I subtract 3b from both sides, I'm going to have 9b minus 9 equals 72. If I add it to 9, I'm going to have 81, and b is 9. Alright. That would make angle 1 equal to 99, so all the obtuse angles would be 99. Alright. And then, for example, angle 2 would be 81, because it forms a linear pair, so all the acute angles would be 81. And the next one, 11 and 16. So now I got 11, which is drawn as obtuse, and 16, which is drawn as acute. So instead of equal to each other, they're supplementary. So I'm going to add them up. So 8r minus 3 plus 12 minus r equals 180. I'm going to combine like terms. 8r minus r is 7r. Negative 312 plus 9 is 9. Equals 180. 7r equals 171. And r would be 20, 34, and 3/7. You would then plug that into either one. Eight times 24. Alright, so if r is 24 and 3/7, if I plug it back in to make sure that so that would be 8 times 24 plus 3 divided by 7. Alright, minus 3 plus 12 minus 24 and 3/7. And I get the 180, so that shows, oh, can't even see it. Alright, so you plug it back in, it gives you 180, so you're good to go. Now if I want to find the actual angle measures, I would go back and I would do 8 times 24 plus 3 divided by 7, 488. Wrong. 8 times 24 plus 3 divided by 7. There we go, 195.428. Now to that I'm going to subtract 3. R minus 3. 12 minus r equals 180. I got 7r, negative 3 plus 12 is 9, 7r is 171, r is 24 and 3/7. If I do 24 plus 3 divided by 7, I'll give me the decimal equivalent. Multiply that times 8, gives me that, and minus 3, 192. So now I do 12 minus 24 plus 3 divided by 7, and oh, look at that, I get a negative number. So that means that 24 and 3/7 is extraneous. So that one is an example of one that has no solution. Now, next one, a little bit of quadratics. Angle 5, 3x squared plus 10. Angle 13, 15x minus 8. Once again, they are both acute, so they're going to be congruent. So 3x squared plus 10 equals 15x minus 8. I'm going to get in standard form. 3x squared minus 15x plus 18 equals 0. I'm going to realize 3 goes into both, so I can pull that out. X squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. X minus 3, x minus 2 equals 0. Making my two solutions, 2 and 3. If I plug in the 2, 2 squared is 4, 4 times 3 is 12, 12 plus 10, 22. If I plug in the 3, 3 squared is 9, 9 times 3 is 27, 27 plus 10 is 37. If I plug that into 13, 30 minus 8 also gives me 22. 15 times 3 is 45. 45 minus 8 is 37. So my two possible acute angle measures, 22 and 37. That makes my acute angle measures 158 and 143. The last one, measure of angle 14. So 14 is here. So I'm going to put this one right on there. So 8a minus 20b. 16 is right here, 7a. And 20 down here is 100 minus 8b. Alright? So 14 and 16 form a linear pair. So 8a minus 20b plus 7a equals 180. Alright? 20 and 14 are alternate exterior angles. So they're congruent. So 8a minus 20b equals 100 minus 8b. I'm going to get them both in standard form. 8a plus 7a is 15a. Minus 20b equals 180. 8a minus 12b equals 100. Is what the second one comes out to be. I'm going to divide everything in here by 5. Because 5 goes into all of them. That will result in 3a minus 4b equals 36. Alright, I want to get opposite variables, so I'm going to multiply that one by negative 3. That gives me negative 9a plus 12b equals negative 108. 8a minus 9a is negative a. 100 minus negative 108 is negative 8. And that makes a equal to 8. If I plug that in here, 8a would be 64, 7a would be 56, 64 plus 56 is 120. If I then subtract 120 from both sides, I'm going to get 60. Divide by negative 20 and I get b equals 3. If I plug that back in, oh, that's a negative 3. That's a positive 60. Alright, so b is negative 3. If I plug that back in, let's say to this one, 14, 8 times 8 would be 64. Negative 3 times negative 20 would be positive 60, making all your obtuse angles 124. If I plug it in here, 7 times 8 is 56. 124 and 56 form a linear pair, so that works. All right, hope that helps. Good luck with everything.